This little device is absolutely genius. We're here in the outskirts of London installing some new solar panels for one of our customers, and the team are trying out the new ValkAce Plus solar mounting system. Let's see how they get on. Hi, I'm Jordan from Artisan Electrics. We've been using Valk solar roof mounting systems for years. We've fitted hundreds of systems. So when they invited us to try the new ValkAce Plus system, I was curious to see what they had in store. The main new innovations that they've brought out are this, which is the ValkGrip, which is a new clever little clip, and the adaptations that they've made to the existing roof hooks. So we're using the ValkAce Plus on this system. What has stood out to you so far? What are your impressions?
So first impressions were when we was installing the new brackets, the rails go onto them so much easier. Before we kind of had to struggle a little bit with putting them on, but now they literally just clip in and then you can slide it to exactly where you need it and then tighten it up with the impact and then it's done, which is a massive, massive improvement for us installers.
What was your gut feeling before trying this?
Anxious and excited, especially with the ValkGrip. I was kind of in two minds about if it's going to be proactive or if it's going to slow the process down. But what I found actually is that it's brilliant. With the ValkGrip, there's two major advantages I'd say. Is now we're not touching the glass when we're installing them, meaning that we get a cleaner install at the end of the project, and safety, because we're not leaning over the panels. You can literally just put it in, done, and that's it. And you can walk away from the panel, meaning that you haven't got to hold your hand here and tighten up there. So it's perfect for the installer.
Do you think it sped you up as well?
Massively. Yeah, I think so.
Now, I'll be honest, whenever I see new innovations or hear about new innovations and people say things like game changer, I'm always a bit dubious because I think, really, could it really be that much of a game changer? And with a little clip like this, at first glance, you just think it's a little piece of metal. How much could it change things? But honestly, I can say this is a game changer. Nothing like this has ever been invented before. And it's so simple, but the best inventions usually are.
From an installer's perspective, it's so good for us. You tighten it up when you have access to it whilst you're on the rails, leave it in there, panel goes in, and then it's done. So super effective for us installers, makes the install cleaner and much safer as well for the installer.
Game changer. So having used this new product for the first time, I can say that it really is innovative. The increased speed and safety by using these little clips is incredible, and I genuinely think it's going to make a massive difference to the industry.